A key component when talking about analytic workloads, there's really three primary things we're going to focus on here in our discussion when we talk about performance workloads in a big data environment. The first two are really directly related to the performance and how fast sequential and random writes and reads occur within the environment. In this example, really kind of that standard that we want to set is around 12, 13,000 megabits a second sequential writes, and then 2 million IOPS on random, typically unstructured type of data writes. So these IOP numbers are very, very important, and they're based upon key technologies that enable that performance to happen. And the primary enabler of that is flash-based storage devices. But when you look at flash-based storage, you have to be able to understand and look at what a PE cycle is and what the endurance of that device is, because it will directly relate to the cost of the implementation related to that analytic environment. So in this example, a PE cycle is so just kind of back up a little bit. A PE cycle really is a program erase cycle. It basically is a sequence of events in which data is written to solid state NAND cells, written and deleted. And the endurance of that device is how many times that can happen within with with on that device, excuse me. So the 5 million PE cycles would say that that hard drive, that SSD drive, is capable of handling 5 million PE cycles, and the endurance is directly related to that. So theoretically, when we hit over 5 million reads and writes, sequential events that are occurring on that SSD drive, it will be time to replace that flash storage device. So these numbers and the way we configure our systems to run and the core infrastructure, again, we're focused on that core infrastructure that makes analytics work. This is a huge component. If you're doing a lot of read and writes, you're going to need that performance out of the IOPS, and you want to make sure that those drives will have long-term endurance for those activities.